Hey there, trivia enthusiasts. Welcome to Fascinating Facts, where we dive into the coolest corners of history and science. Today, we're rolling into a topic that literally keeps the world turning: the wheel. Buckle up as we explore some really amazing facts. Let's start with the basics. The wheel is one of humanity's greatest inventions, and its history dates back over 5,000 years. That's right, the wheel was first invented around 3,500 BC in ancient Mesopotamia. But here's the twist. The earliest wheels weren't actually used for transportation. They were part of potter's wheels used to shape clay. That's right. Before it took you to the park or your favorite coffee shop, the wheel helped shape your coffee mug. Now, imagine a time before the wheel. Yes, it's a little hard to picture, but early humans had to carry everything by hand or drag things along the ground. The wheel changed all that. By around 3000 BC, wheels were adapted for use in transportation, revolutionizing how goods and people moved. It's like switching from carrying heavy bags to using a super cool shopping cart. Pretty awesome, right? But wait, there's more. Did you know that not all wheels are round? Yep, that's right. In fact, the earliest wheels weren't actually perfectly round. They were made from a series of wooden planks and were more like a segmented circle. Over time, they evolved into the smooth, round wheels we're familiar with today. So, those ancient wheels were more like wooden puzzles. And speaking of evolution, let's talk about some modern marvels. Ever heard of the wheel that never goes flat? It's called the airless tire, and it's already being used in some cutting-edge vehicles. These tires are made from a special composite material and have a unique design that gives them flexibility and strength. No more worrying about flat tires during a road trip. Before we roll on out of here, let's not forget the fun fact of the day. Did you know the phrase, reinventing the wheel, comes from the idea that improving or changing something fundamental can be unnecessary? It's a nod to the wheel's incredible efficiency and how it's pretty hard to improve upon a classic. That's all for today's Wheelie Fun Facts. I hope you enjoyed this journey through time and technology. Remember, next time you're spinning around, take a moment to appreciate the amazing invention beneath you. Until next time, keep rolling with curiosity.